What's happening, YouTube? Coming at you with two new products. We got the Galaxy Note 9, and then we got the AKG wireless headphones with noise canceling. So I got my little unboxing partner here, Justin. Say hi, Justin.
Hello.
So Justin, it's gonna start with the Galaxy Note 9. So let's go ahead and take that out of the box and see what's in the box. What's in the box?
So it says Samsung.
I think it opens on the side, buddy.
Yeah, you're alright.
Just pull it open.
There we go. Alright. So here it is.
Alright, so here's our Galaxy Note. Let's turn it around and see the blue.
Black.
It's got the blue. Let's pull the stylus out. The S Pen. See what color it is.
White, yellow.
Alright, so we got the yellow S Pen. Nice. Let's go ahead and throw that back in there and see what else is in the box.
What's on here?
You gotta take everything out, buddy.
Alright, so get this back out. Put that there. Alright, so we
got the OTG adapter. Alright, what else?
Got a box.
Got the charging block. Okay, what else is in the box?
We got cord.
You got the charging cord.
Earbuds.
We got AKG earbuds. And then it should come with the S Pen tool for removing the tip of the S Pen.
And we got some.
And then that is extra earbuds.
Extra ear parts. Alright. So that's it. Got the phone.
Alright.
Alright, so that's all unboxed. Now we got the AKG wireless headphones.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and open those up and see what's in the box.
So let's see.
I think you just pull them from the side, buddy. Pull that out from the side right there.
Yeah. Yeah, just gonna pull these wireless headphones out. What's in the mystery box?
Okay, looks like they come in a nice little pouch.
Alright, feel kinda.
So Justin's gonna go ahead and remove the headphones. Let's hold them up. So let's take a look.
Alright.
In front of the camera, buddy. Oh, nice. That's nice, black and silver. How do they feel? Do they feel nice and soft?
Yeah, I feel kind of comfortable.
Kind of comfy.
Nothing under there.
What else is in the pouch? Is there something else in there?
Got some chargers.
All right, looks like we have the charging cable and the audio cable. Okay, let's take a closer look here. Looks like we have some buttons on the side here. Not sure what those are just yet. Oh, we got directional controls, fast forward and rewind. And then that looks like the noise canceling feature. Looks like you got charging port right there, then your headphone jack with your audio cable jack right there that plugs into your Galaxy Note 9. Alrighty, so that should do it for the unboxing. I'll go ahead and get everything charged up, and maybe we can do a review and see what's what. Say bye, Justin.
Bye.